Hello, everyone. I'm Lily. Today we are talking about the verb take. It is very common in everyday English.
Hi, I'm Jack. Yes, people use take in many daily situations. It can mean carry, use, eat, or go somewhere.
For example, every morning I take my bag and leave the house. I always take my phone with me too.
That's the same for me. I take my keys, my wallet, and my laptop when I go to work.
We also use take for transportation. I take the bus to work every day. It is fast and easy.
I usually take the metro. Sometimes I take a taxi when I am late.
We can also use take for medicine. When I feel sick, I take some medicine and rest.
Good example. I take vitamins every morning to stay healthy.
Take is also used for time. For example, it takes 20 minutes to get to my office.
Yes, and it takes a long time to learn something new. Learning English takes practice.
So, take is a very useful verb in daily life. We use it for many simple actions.
That's right. Once you notice it, you will hear take everywhere in conversations.
This morning, I took my time getting ready. I didn't want to rush. It felt relaxing.
That sounds nice. I usually take a quick shower and take breakfast with me. I am always in a hurry.
Sometimes I take a short walk before work. It helps me feel fresh and calm.
Good habit. I take a break every 2 hours at work. It helps me focus better.
Yesterday, I took many photos in the park. The weather was beautiful.
Really? I love taking photos too. I always take pictures when I travel.
Do you take notes when you learn something new? It helps me remember better.
Yes, I take notes in my notebook. It makes studying easier for me.
In the evening, I like to take a deep breath and relax. It helps me reduce stress.
That's important. Life feels better when we take care of ourselves every day.
Small actions can make a big difference when we take the time to do them.
Yes, and good habits are easy to build when we take things step by step.
I took the wrong bus yesterday and got lost. It took me almost an hour to get back home.
Oh no, that happens sometimes. When I travel somewhere new, I always take a map or use my phone.
Good idea. I also like to take my time when I visit a new place. I don't want to rush.
Same here. I like to take a seat, look around, and enjoy the moment. It helps me relax.
When I feel stressed, I take a deep breath and try to stay calm. It really helps me think clearly.
Yes, and when I feel tired, I take a short rest. Even 10 minutes can make a big difference.
Sometimes we need to take responsibility too. If I make a mistake, I try to fix it.
That's a good attitude. It takes courage to accept mistakes and learn from them.
Life feels easier when we take things slowly and stay patient.
I agree. Good things take time, and learning English also takes patience and practice.
Today was busy, but I tried to take things calmly. I didn't want to feel stressed.
That's good. When days are busy, I take a moment to stop and breathe. It helps me stay focused.
After work, I like to take a walk and clear my mind. Fresh air always helps me relax.
I understand. In the evening, I take some time to read a book. It helps me rest my mind.
Small habits can really help when we take care of ourselves every day.
Yes, and it's important to take time for the people we care about too.
That's true. Good relationships take effort and attention.
And learning anything new takes patience. Step by step, we improve.
I think today was a good day. I learned to take things a little slower.
Me too. Sometimes the best thing we can do is simply take it easy.
Today, I decided to take a different route home. I wanted to see new places and enjoy the walk. It felt refreshing and interesting.
That sounds nice. I like to take small changes in my routine sometimes. It helps me feel less bored and more active.
In the evening, I like to take some quiet time for myself. I sit, relax, and think about my day. It helps me feel calm and peaceful.
I understand that. After dinner, I usually take time to plan for tomorrow. It helps me stay organized and ready.
Sometimes life feels busy, so we need to take control of our time. Even small breaks can make a big difference. They help us feel balanced.
That's very true. When we take care of our time and energy, everything feels easier. Good habits take time, but they are worth it.
I think it's important to take life one step at a time. We don't need to rush everything. Slow progress is still progress.
Exactly. When we take things slowly and stay patient, we learn more and feel better. That makes every day more enjoyable.
Today, we learned many ways to use the word take. It is a small word, but we use it every day. It helps us speak simple and clear English.
Yes, people take breaks, take photos, take the bus, and take time to relax. It is very common in daily life. You can hear it everywhere.
The best way to learn is to use it often. Tomorrow, I will take a walk in the morning. I also want to take more time to rest.
That's good. I will take time to study English every day. I want to take better care of my time. Small steps help a lot.
Learning English takes time, and that is okay. Go slowly and practice every day. Step by step, you will improve.
Yes, practice makes you better and more confident. Just keep going and don't stop.
You can try using take in your daily routine. Take notes, take a break, or take a deep breath when you feel stressed.
Simple practice like this helps you remember new words. It also makes your speaking more natural.
You can also take small goals each week. Try to use new sentences every day. Little practice helps a lot.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. When you take chances and try speaking, you learn faster. Practice gives you confidence.
Over time, you will feel more comfortable using simple English. Just take it step by step and enjoy learning.
Yes, learning is a journey. Take your time and keep moving forward every day.
Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you feel ready to use take in real conversations.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please write a comment using the word take. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.
See you next time.
Goodbye.